Alright, YouTube, so the project I had from yesterday I talked about, this is the truck and this is the dash. And you can tell the big ass hole, it collapsed with the heat. This is what happens when you have leave your trucks or vehicles, and it don't matter what, if it's a car or truck, any vehicle, direct sunlight hits the dash, it starts cracking and it starts getting brittle. That's the problem with these old trucks. This is plastic, but you can tell where I plastic welded it right here, all this, and then super glue, but it doesn't hold. So I drove my other truck with the fiberglass done already, and it actually held together. It kept it together. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this truck. Right now I'm getting measurements and get it all pre-cut. So I'm gonna come back and show you all the stuff I'm gonna use again, and hopefully I can learn something when I'm doing this, because it's two different models of the dash and the interior, so you would know what you need. So I'll be right back with that. So we're back and we got the measurements for the driver's side and the passenger side, and then where the defroster for the windshield's at in front of that too. So I came up with 10 inches from top to bottom, and left and right 29-ish, 30-ish, and this side 2 feet, and the 10 inches. And then this is the driver's side, passenger side, where the airbag goes, and this is where all the dashboard goes. And then you got your defroster back there. I got a 3-inch, and the total was 30, but since I didn't have a long strip and all I had was a little block, I stripped them down, and I got equal 30 across. So I just put halfway point, and those are the main ones I'm concerned about. But after I put these 4 down, I might look if I missed a spot or I need a spot to fill in, and I still got plenty more left. So all we're going to use again is the bundle fiberglass resin hardener and our mixing cup from Dollar Tree. And to cut the fiberglass, I use this pair of scissors or a knife, and the measuring tape. And then to mix it, we're going to use this technique of mine, Mexican stick, just a twig, but sturdy enough to mix it. And I got 4 of these. Now I hope I don't have to use all 4 of them, because I'm just do one at a time, because doing both at the same time is gonna mess it up. I'm gonna do a small batch, and each small batch says in the directions of the can is 8 to 12 minutes. So I got 8 to 12 minutes to prep it and work it down, and then if I got time, I mix a new batch and put this one down and do the same thing with that. And hopefully whatever's left, I just use on the rest of the dashboard where I need to fill in any spots I miss or I want to put in. Like first I'm gonna put the fiberglass down, and then come and get the mat, the cuts, put them down so they won't move all over the place, and I just put the fiberglass on top of it like yesterday's video, and like that. And basically I'm gonna just get to mixing, and I'm gonna put the camera back on the tripod, and we're gonna start on the driver's side, then the passenger side. So I'm gonna go put that up, and I'll see you in a bit.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes. to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. From town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Isolated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you, I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby, hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets
3 hours and it's hard and dry. So now this, I couldn't get it even if I wanted to, but as long as it doesn't break and collapse, it's fine by me. And I got the contour over here. Just gotta give it a little sanding on the side. But other than that, it's a pretty good job. It's stable and strong. It's not even wiggly like it was. And back there, I did that and overlapped twice there. So I finished this, and that'll be it. I'll probably get this video uploaded, edited and uploaded soon, just like the other one. I got nothing else to say, but the finished product, just put back the dash cover. First sand it and then put the dash cover, and that'll be it. So any further ado, subscribe, like, share, comment, do what you gotta do, and hopefully we see you next time. Thank you.